Hello everyone, this is Randy from Trade the Future. Let's look at the S&P E-mini. What we see here is we see a little consolidation. Obviously it's come down. It's consolidating here. This could be either, some type of bear flag, maybe possibly like this. This market's coming down. Here's a little bear flag and it'll continue down. Or we could get a little rally here. It looks like it wants to rally this morning again. If we open above yesterday's high, which was 779.50, then I might look to go long. So if it opens above here at this point here, I might go long, put a stop at roughly, I wouldn't risk that much because it is in a downward trend. I might risk 4 points or so, maybe a couple $100, and see if we can get a move up into this range here, which is the 800, 795, 800 range. Not sure if it's going to get there. It's a very choppy market. I mean, as you saw yesterday, up and down, up and down. It's got a base a little bit down here. It's not going to be going straight up from here, I'll tell you that right now. Well, of course, anything can happen, but that's my guess. So at this point in time, let's take that. If it does reverse and goes back down below the close, if it basically comes back down to 761 area, I'll look at shorting it. That's a kind of a support area. So, if it opens above this point and then comes back down and goes below 761, then you want to sell it. All right. Let's look at the next market. This is the euro currency. Here we see this market obviously has come down a lot. We spoke about 100 times. It's pulled back recently. It's up again this morning. We're getting a lot of we're range bound. We're just chopping through this. We're still below this 21-day moving average. Until it gets and closes above the 21-day moving average, I probably will not go long at this point. At this point, I'm going to probably stay out of this market until it gives me some indication of the direction. So, if it closes, probably, if it goes below yesterday's low, which was support is roughly where we got 26.86, and that was roughly right here, this area. I'd probably look at being a seller again with a stop around 30 points. The last market we're going to talk about today is the yen, and the yen is shown here. We see that's come down a lot, and we had a short, but we got out of it. I didn't think it was going to come down this much. Right now it's opening below yesterday's low. Yesterday's low was 102.27, and I think it will. This is a tough one. If it stays below 102.27 for probably an hour, I'll probably start looking at going short, continue to short it more. If it pulls back and starts to rally and gets above 102.70, that's kind of where the resistance is, and I would probably be buyer there. Again, buyer, I wouldn't be holding on forever. I'd be getting out at the end of the day because it's not gonna, this is still a tremendous downtrend right here. This is sharp, so any pullbacks aren't gonna last forever. So this is a market that if it opens below this 102.27, which it looks like it's going to do right now, it's at 101.89. I don't know if you can see that, but it probably will continue down today. But what I'm thinking is, if the stock market reverses, we're definitely going to see a reversal in this. It might get a little bounce. But today, look to see if it stabilizes below 102.27, and then possibly look at getting a short position put on for making some money. All right. right, have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video.